Wapumudimu and Sampenikesia wono ena wada eye Chaba Orthopedic Herbal Center no eye Dr. Salifu Khalifu wakasa ede afa eye sabo ehu niema yetumi eye ema sabo no enya ohaw.
First and foremost, no, avoid painkillers. Find natural ways
of treating
your pains, yes. And yes,
painkillers, simple painkillers.
Hey.
And yes, simple.
Avoid the antibiotics. Obi wo you me we go for antibiotics. Omo abuse antibiotics no. When you say you use antibiotics after we use antibiotics better 2 weeks and after 1 month no. There was some use probiotics so they replenish good bacteria and antibiotics no. But over here no, and I say in this part of the world no, you use antibiotics as you use probiotics. And there are some doctors, medical doctors, as they say, almost probiotics. So antibiotics no probiotics it doesn't make sense. I was saying people don't envy probiotics no. Antibiotics before. And so why you use probiotics no?
Because
yes, so it doesn't make any sense. I was saying who use antibiotics no we are. No I use probiotics now I. But who you be they be no antibiotics and also say
kidneys.
Kidneys. So who you you like hiring. Who high you love to get high.
Yeah, Irie,
yeah, you love to get high. Oh, it's ufa red, I was saying jai. Onum crack and cocaine, I was saying jai. We had drugs, I was on finding a way to stop. Because I know so I put 2 kidneys at risk. Who you be our num energy drink pa. Yes, caffeine a woman also. And also to me with kidneys no. And then find a way to learn about herbs. Then use natural means to heal yourself. Because orthodox drugs are toxic. They are all acidic in nature. One thing kidney no say kidney no balance the pH of the body. Sure say all the waste in the body they are all acidic. So the kidney no acidic waste they were in the most not bicarbonates no or bicarbonates no alkaline. And in naturopathy, no, so system no alkaline chronic conditions and now chronic diarrhea and timin thriving in your system. Or mun timin ye be breathe system no more. It's one of the things that kidney no no. And this one share kidney now say you put in a lot of acid forming food in your system now. And my kidney you be breathe. Now the kidney no timin this type of acid forming foods and I say waste from your system. It makes your system acidic. And when your system becomes acidic, then a lot of chronic conditions too will come in. Now, the problem you make sure say you take in less acid forming food and then you take in more alkaline forming foods. Because alkaline forming food do not burden the kidneys. But you take a lot of acid forming foods, it burdens the kidneys. And then I did too much. Until you stop, and then you have to drink water.
Okay.
More. At least 6 sachets of water a day there. And I said 7 sachets of water a day there. I will say,